So for this part, the main characters are going somewhere, but that's not really important. What is important is the author and his ideas. So now it's time for Philosophy 2 Lightning Round. The main character's first tangent is that without quality, all that is left is exact science, and he describes the absence of quality is squareness, but later decides that it's just classic quality instead. Returning to the actual plot, the narrator and Chris goes climbs a mountain, and Chris gets angry because he's tired of the trip, but the main character doesn't seem to care. He can go on a tangent of the structure of reality while driving a motorcycle, but can't be a good father. After they climb the mountain, they get back to riding the motorcycle, and the main character remembers that Phaedrus was once in the dilemma where he had to choose where quality is subjective or objective. He decides it was neither. It facts creates objectivity and subjectivity. Oh, what's happening? It's a dream sequence. So the main character then has a dream he's in a glass sarcophagus, but his family is on the other side, and he's yelling for them, but no one hears but Chris. Whoa, he woke up. Anyways, back to philosophy. He then goes to galaxy brain mode and says that we can fix the differences between tech and nature by changing our relationship of how we think of tech. Because people think tech is unnatural, they think it's ugly. Okay, freaky flex, but okay. But why don't you just understand that your treatment of Chris is also ugly? He can't appreciate the trip like you because your apathetic negligence won't allow him to. After their motorcycle needs repair, we're forced to learn about gumption and gumption traps. Gumption is like basically gas for solving problems. But there are three main traps: anxiety, boredom, and ego. We must avoid these to succeed in learning. But wait! Whoa, flashback 2.0. We finally figure out that Phaedrus was like legit smart and taught at the university, but he thinks he's smarter than all the other philosophers because they don't incorporate Aristotle into their philosophical equations. So after that, Phaedrus goes like crazy and like, oh my god, it's a twist. It turns out Phaedrus is the main character. Wow, we never saw that coming for the last 250 pages. But wait, an even bigger twist. He accepts that he's Phaedrus and he's becoming Phaedrus again. Joy.